case you miss me.
Get a pound and bust it down. I low
No.
key run the city while
Get
you
you.
niggas run your mouth, and I be paying off the feds so they never shut us down. I got junkies running in, my money never.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is I, she is me, I am her, and I have been going for too long. But I am back, and today I am doing a hair review for you guys. I left because I have to get my life together. Clearly you hear my voice, I'm still kind of sick, so I'm trying to get over that too. But yeah, we're gonna get right into this hair review. And the hair I will be reviewing for you guys is from Asteria Hair. Get into this green bag. This color is bomb. So what I am wearing in my hair is your 26-inch 5x5 body wave 250% density wig. Now this hair, just like from touch throughout the bag, so soft. So clearly, when I got it, I washed it. I bleached my knots twice because it would not take the first time, and it kind of didn't even take the second time, honestly, either. I use clear developers, so that could be the reason why. Before I even get to more specs about the hair, I'll talk about some of the things that came in the bag. So first thing, when I opened the bag, I got was these 4 stocking caps. I appreciate it. Too dark for me. It came with an elastic headband, which you need to melt that lace because this is an HD lace unit. Got your edge wrap, leopard print. I didn't get to pick it, but it's cute though. Got your edge brush and your edge comb, that duo, which I definitely appreciate myself because now I'm in Arizona. I can't just go to the beauty supply store and pick them up like I want to. So then, like I said, this hair is so silky and so soft. But just in case you even thought sis was gonna give you nap or give you tangles, they give you a booklet on how to take care of the hair, and it's like right here. Get into it. They didn't come to play. They told you how you gonna take care of their quality hair with quality products. It's a whole brochure around here. They were not playing. So also in my bag, I got a headband, and I was like, what's up with this? It's a surprise to me, But then I remember that I was part of their buy one get one free, and they said buy one get what free. They said buy one wig get 1 week free. Sis, and I said, so it's the same. So on top of that headband, I got an actual headband wig, and it's good quality. This is, I'm gonna assume it's like their loose deep wave hair 14-inch headband wig. I absolutely like it. I've tried it on, washed it, co-washed it, because it can't be no dirty out, and I love it. So I'll be doing a separate review on that for you guys as well. Like I said, this is 26-inch 250% density. This is, for me, 250% is not thick, it's thick. That's really the thickest people make their hair units. But when you get 26 and 30-inch and 28-inch hair, 250% really feel like 200%. You know what I'm saying? So it's definitely 200% or 250% density is something you need to get when you're getting something this long. And I'm glad I got 250% density because it really feels like 200%. But it's because of the length, if that makes sense. I've been wearing this hair for a week now, and I still consider this my initial review because you can't do an initial review straight out the bag. That's giving not what it needs to give. When I type in YouTube and I want a review, I want a real review. So I've been wearing this for a week now. I don't sleep in it, so let that be said. I am doing the glueless method too, and I will link somewhere in this video of some glueless products I use to do my glueless styling wigs. I just don't glue them down like that. I just don't. So yeah, without sleeping in this hair, wearing this hair every day, I put some curls in earlier this week, and the curls are still there. Just that off the rip, put my hands through the hair. It don't shed, it don't tangle, and I bleached my knots twice. I would give this hair, honestly, an 8.5/9 for an initial review. A 1 week initial review, 8.5/9. That's pretty high. The reason I'm doing that, like I said, I'm not getting any shedding. It held a curl. This body wave did not play. Like, even though it's body wave, and when you get it, even though after you washed it one night, you didn't really have to like blow dry it that straight, because it still gave that silky look. All I did was I blow dried it. Well, I let it air dry. I put a little flat iron to it because I like to get that silky look, and then I curled it, and it looks silky, no texture whatsoever. Some people body waves be looking like a little texture. No texture whatsoever. Hold a curl. The hair also did come with some layers, so it's not like super layered because you still need the digits you paid for, but like in the front, it was like a layer. Like I would say it was probably like 22 at the front enclosure, and then it trickled down into like a 26-inch. Not like super layered, so you might want to go and add your own layers. But just enough layers to keep like a nice frame look to the face, which I appreciate because I hate super duper layered wigs that I didn't layer myself because nobody told you to see a choppy wig, Let's see what else. The closure part did come plucked. I'm gonna say semi-plucked. Semi-plucked because it's like you're going to go in and do a little bit more plucking. Just a little bit. Just a tad bit. You want to need a little bit more plucking. But this bad boy is ready. You get out the bag. You wash it because you don't want that chemical smell to it. Wash it, let it get dry, put some curls in it, and you are ready to go. Like, she ain't gonna play. Period. But yes, guys, this is, like I said, my initial review. I will be coming back, in a month or two, maybe like 2 months, to give you guys a final review on this hair to see how it's holding up. I just wear my hair every day. So I switch it out. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna switch it out a couple times, but other than that, I'll be wearing this every day for this whole month and a half, and I'll let you guys know how it turned out. But other than that, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming back to all my loyal subscribers, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on, sis? Subscribe to my channel for all the details and all the revealed secrets and all the goodies and whatnot, all the video reviews we do over here. You don't want to miss out on that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.